How to add a border to a Word document. You have probably seen a document with a border. If you want to find out how you can achieve it, stay until the end. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, we will open the document we want. I will select this document. We want to add a border to this document and surround this document. In the top menu, we will find the design section and click on it. A large number of options will appear here, of which we need the border option. When you find it, click on it. A window will open in which we can choose what style we want the base border to be. You can choose one of the predefined ones or create a custom one. Furthermore, you can choose the type and thickness of the line as where you want the border to appear. When you have selected everything as you want, click on the OK button and the border will appear. That's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.